Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera, so we have to change it to the front one by using this button from the right, because mirror effect only works for selfies. Now let's keep it like that and move to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to left side and pick settings to open them. And now at the second place we have mirror front camera option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.